Now we will discuss question number 3. Exercise 4.2, question number 3. In question number 3, here given, find the area of a rectangle whose length is 5.7 cm and breadth is 3 cm. We find the area. In question number 2, we find the perimeter. Perimeter means length of the boundary and area means anterior region. Now we solve this one sum. Now this one, question number 3, find the area of a rectangle whose length is 5.7 cm and breadth is 3 cm. Suppose this one rectangle and this rectangle length is 5.7 cm and breadth is 3 cm. We find the area. Area means what? Here anterior region, that means this one. This one boundary and this anterior region we have to find, means area. Area means anterior region. Now how to find the area? If we know the length and breadth, then area we can find length into breadth. Area of a rectangle formula is length into breadth. Here given what? Given length is equal to length of the rectangle, how many? Length of the rectangle is equal to 5.7 cm and breadth is equal to 3 cm. Now we find the area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle is equal to what? Length into breadth. Length into breadth. Here length is equal to 5.7 cm into 3 cm. We can write here unit also, but cm. Okay, then it will get problem sometimes. That's why after calculation also you can write the unit. And here also you can write 5.7 cm into 3 cm. Okay, but I have written like this way. Now we multiply 5.7 into 3. 3 7s are 21. 2 carry. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. That means if we multiply 57 by 3, then we will get 171. Now we count the digit after decimal point. After decimal point, here 1 digit and there is no, that's why total digit after decimal point only 1. That's why from right this way, before 1 digit we put the decimal point. That means 17.1. Now area unit is equal to how many? Cm into cm means centimeter square. Always remember this one, unit. Area unit always here. If it is centimeter given, centimeter square. If it is meter given, then you have to write the meter square. Okay, why? Because this one centimeter, this one centimeter. Centimeter into centimeter is equal to centimeter square. This is the unit of the area. And if it is perimeter given, then only cm. Now our answer is what? 17.1 centimeter square of this rectangle area. I hope all of you understand. Now question number 4. Find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle whose side is 2.7 cm. Equilateral triangle means what? All sides are equal. The triangle whose all sides are equal, that triangle is known as equilateral triangle. Here each side measure is equal to given what? 2.7 cm. We have to find the perimeter. Now suppose this one equilateral triangle. If it is equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. All sides equal means what? Here AB equal to BC equal to AC equal to how much? Each side measure is equal to 2.7 cm. We have to find the perimeter of equilateral triangle. Perimeter means what? Length of the boundary of this triangle. Therefore, if we add these three sides or if we multiply 3 into sides. Why? Here all sides are equal. Therefore 3 into sides is equal to perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Therefore, if we multiply these three multiplied by 3, then we will get the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. Therefore, the here given what? Given measure of each side, length of each side, length of each side is equal to 2.7 cm. Therefore, perimeter of an equilateral triangle is equal to 3 into side. Why? Because here this plus this, 3 side sum means 3 into each side. Now 3 into length of the side is equal to how much? 2.7 this one cm. Now if we multiply it by 3, then 3 sevens are 21, 2 3 twos are 6, plus 2 is equal to 8. Now after decimal point, how many digits are there? After decimal point, only one digit. There is no digit. Here after decimal point, one digit. That's why from the right, we have to put the decimal point before one digit. That means here we have to put the decimal point. Therefore, perimeter of the equilateral triangle is equal to 8.1 cm. This one is the answer.